Hello, Business 330, Business Finance Saturday students. This is Professor Hassey, live and in color from Claremont, California. And today is Wednesday, October 21st. This is our introduction video to our course concluding week number 8, this Saturday, October 24th, beginning at 8 a.m. We have a lot to do this weekend. I have already posted assignment number 4 grades. Because we still have couple students still working on their assignment 4, I posted when necessary the solutions to assignment 4 to your individual grade center. So if you go to assignment 4 file folder, you'll see no solutions there because we have some students still working on their work. But individual solutions are posted to your grade center. So if you've posted assignment 4, your grades are all up to date heading into this final week of school. Now, what a final week it is. We have the Road King paper due on Saturday. Many of us are on extensions to as long as to October 30th. That's 15% of your grade. We have the final examination, which is 20% of your grade, and you have one last class participation grade, which is worth 5% of your grade. So in this last week of our class, 40% of your course grade will be determined. That's a lot. So if some of you are maybe a little disappointed in your grade average up to this point in time, you can get your grade fixed in a hurry by a good performance on your Road King paper and your final examination. And if you've been coming to class and participating, you'll get a nice grade in that last 5% of your class participation. So 40% available in this last week. So we start off this Saturday session with a review of assignment number 4, because for some of us who are still working on the Road King's case, that assignment 4 and the format and the template of that assignment will help you with the Road King case. That's why I posted the grades today with the solutions for many of you, because you can use that in your final work on the Road Kings. We'll talk about that Road Kings review a little bit later in this introduction video. Then we're going to be talking about chapters 14, 15, 16, and 17. These are all on the final examination, and the related sections. Maybe take a look at a couple problems, but I don't think those problems are very good examples. It's mainly a definitional review, but we'll go through all that material for your final. Your final will be posted in the noon hour on Saturday. It's due October 31st. Your course evaluations, and we'll talk more about those on Saturday, are due October 30th. And the final course grades for this cycle 1 of your Kappa fall semester or term are all due to be posted by Monday, November 2nd. So a busy next 10 days for all of you, and for especially me. I got a lot of work to do too. So that's what we're going to be doing this coming Saturday, is reviewing, getting up to speed with the final 4 chapters, and making sure we're in good standing for our last week, or last 40% of our course this term. So in our week number 8, excuse me, Blackboard file folder is a final review of the Road King work, the checklists that you are to follow or have followed in doing the paper and the spreadsheet. A review file of a prior file we looked at in week 6, just to refresh our memories, and I'll go over it on Saturday about the Road King capital budget analysis. Final examination guide, and we'll review that on Saturday. Course evaluations and the process of that, and our final finance fact. And I want to talk a little bit about this because it has to do with a lot of us and some of our careers on Saturday. Speaking of the investment return analysis, here's that file here from week 6, and I also included it in our week 8 file folder. Remember, you're doing 2 of these analyses for the Road King case. You're doing one analysis for each engine. The two products are designated by the two different types of engines because the differing factors in the analysis are the two engines and their warranty and the cost of those two engines relative to the rest of the bus. So you're doing two analysis. And that analysis is over 20 years, not 10 years, but this follows the same format. The only differences in this format from what we've looked at prior and even including assignment 4 is that the variable costs are going to have variable costs, the parts, the engine, the labor, but also a variable cost will be the warranty. So you're probably going to have a separate warranty line. So I can see your calculation for the warranty expense for both the bus and the engines. So you can, for the truck and the engine, so you can show me that. So you're going to have an added line in your analysis for the warranty, so I can see that. Then you're still going to have fixed costs. In this case, you have some additional training costs that you have to include. But all in all, it's pretty separate or same as everything else we've worked on in our class. The only difference, and this is a biggie, is being able to distinguish and do that warranty calculation and include that in your analysis. And we'll talk more about that on Saturday. If again, I've had many students begin to send me their drafts of their spreadsheets to look at. So if you want to do that in the next couple of days, please do so, or come with questions on Saturday if you're requesting an extension and we can review some of that work on Saturday. And now also, if you already submitted or going to submit your Road King work and you come to class on Saturday and you find out through our discussions, maybe I might have done something incorrectly, you can repost that work if you've already posted after Saturday. That is not a problem. So don't worry about that. Okay, so that's where we stand. We're moving into our final week. There's a lot to do. Stay calm. I'm here to help you, and we'll be in good shape to finish off our class in the next couple days. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. Thanks, everybody. See you then. Bye-bye.